Tell me about chapter 3 of The Bird Flight entitled Lessons with Princess Hornbill.
Entitled Lessons.
Lessons, yeah.
So, so finally, it was time for the little hornbill to learn how to fly. So first up was the jungle birds. Obviously the jungle birds, because they're the best at leaping from branch to branch. So they taught the little hornbill, but first the little hornbill was stumbling and stuff. She almost fell down once, but good thing her nest was nearby and roosting place. And so they patiently taught her until she learned how to fly from branch to branch. Next was the cockatoos. The cockatoos had to teach her how to really fly. And the cockatoos were beautiful birds, more beautiful than the Princess Hornbill, but the Princess Hornbill is rare. So, the cockatoos spread their wings, and then the little hornbill admired the man and wife cockatoo, their wings, and so she spread hers too, and her black as coal wings. So it was time for her to test flying. So she was on the tree branch. She was on the tree, and then she was supposed to glide and glide. And then at the first try, and then the birds were cheering and cheering, but she couldn't do it. But it was only until 3 days that she gathered her courage and tried to fly. So after she tried to fly, she flew. No, she didn't flew yet. It's the first time she hit the net. But it was no serious injury. She tried again and finally because at the first time she wasn't looking, and then she tried again and then glided her wings, and boom, it was successful.
What was the favorite tree of Princess
The mango
Hornbill?
tree, but she didn't even have much of a choice.
Yeah. Okay.
There was an abundance of mangoes there.
Okay. Who was the bleeding heart pigeon?
And
Punyalada. What was his role there?
he said if Edgar, she said if I forgot about something. They talked about a man that watched them, that stalked them every day, that used binoculars to look at them, and then the bleeding heart pigeon said, "What if that man already spotted the hornbill?"
And then Martinez the Mina
He
answered,
said no.
maybe not. Maybe not. Okay. Why? Because why did she think that maybe he hasn't spotted her yet? Because he hasn't asked.
asked Edgar. I was just thinking that.
Okay. Because what?
He hasn't told Edgar.
Okay, to catch her and bring her to him. All right. Thank you.